Hi, I'm Cece. As a cloud-native CAD platform, CrownCAD makes file sharing simple and efficient. You can right-click any file or click the share icon to open the sharing interface. Select the projects or documents you want to share. Choose specific users or teams, and set access permissions as needed. For example, set read-only permission for a specific user. They'll find the shared file in Shared with Me and can view it according to the permission granted. When you set edit permission for a team, members can collaborate in real time on the same design. The file owner can manage sharing anytime. Click the edit icon to adjust permissions, or the delete icon to stop sharing. You can also share files to an activity,
or generate a read-only link for external sharing.
These sharing options make collaboration and remote work more secure and efficient, keeping design data flowing smoothly. Visit www.crowncad.com to start designing.